What's up, YouTube? Dorito brought me his card in for, we're just going to do a quick maintenance on this buggy. Pretty much the most important thing to do on these buggies is make sure the oil's changed, you got clean oil, and make sure every nut and bolt is tight on these things. It takes only a few minutes to do, and it's very simple, and you want to make sure these carts are safe. So what you're going to need is, I use a crescent wrench for the big bolts, the shocks, anything big. I use a crescent wrench. I use a number 6 Allen for all the Allen bolts. Usually a number 6 Allen. You're going to need a number 10 millimeter for all the body bolts, roll cage. A 13. Some of the bolts, some of the bigger bolts, shock bolts are 13, and a 14. A 14 usually does the 4 shocks, the lug nuts. So that's all you're going to need. Let's get to it. So that was it. Pretty basic. Go around the whole cart, check everything, make sure everything's tight, every shock, every nut, every bolt, every screw on this thing. Every time you ride it. It's the most important thing, and like I said, the oil is another important thing. And if you do that, you keep your basic routine maintenance on these things, this hammerhead will last you forever. You know, but you got to do these things. You can't expect to go out and thrash and hammer this thing and it to last forever if you don't maintenance it. So that's pretty much it. Till next time. Peace.